You see? Amazing, isn't it? This is the AirSelfie, the only portable flying camera integrated into your mobile phone cover. Micro and ultra light, it comes with its very own device for storage and charging, with an easy one-hand control from its own app. Where did the idea come from? Well, I'll show you. For its smartphone apps. It's only 52 grams and it slots into its phone cover and recharges. No issues. AirSelfie flies easily. It's simple to control and very safe. Ready to explore new perspectives? Let's take a look at its technical features. Power bank inside its own custom phone cover. A battery that charges itself in only 30 minutes. 5 megapixel HD video camera to shoot social media optimized images. Sophisticated sensors and its own Wi-Fi control unit. In-flight stability systems to hover autonomously. The smallest and most powerful brushless motors. It's safe to grab while it's still hovering. And of course, its own 4GB micro SD memory. Ultra light with a solid Italian designed case. Compact and easy to carry with you anywhere you go. Ready for the revolution? AirSelfie is on Kickstarter. Help us to get it into production. Become an AirSelfie ambassador by pre-ordering now.
Engineered for creatives, makers, and epic customization, the Scio cover Eco-Composite delivers stunning results with an ordinary home desktop printer. For the first time, you can truly create your own unique mobile cover in minutes with the American-made Scio cover kit. Choose your own images, text, and graphics without content limitations or slow online design tools. Using Scio cover's simple layout templates in Microsoft Word or Adobe file formats makes it easy. You'll be able to design a look that is uniquely yours and share those beautiful captured moments with others in minutes. Scio cover is one of the greenest accessory products made for mobile. Our Eco-Composite contains more than 55% reclaimed carbon-neutral plant fiber infused with 70% plant-based odorless bio-resins, FDA approved for food contact, certified compostable.
StopSpy, simple, discreet, and secure. In this moment, your security is at risk. Malicious software could be spying on you, using the camera in your computer or mobile device. There are thousands of victims around the world. The FBI and other security agencies recommend that you cover your webcams to avoid intrusions and hackers. We present StopSpy, designed to cover the webcams on mobile phones, tablets, and computers. StopSpy is flexible and with only 0.3mm of thickness, it is the thinnest webcam cover in the market. Protect your devices in only 3 steps. Remove the adhesive protective film from the back, place StopSpy on the smartphone screen, press it, and you're ready. Using StopSpy is simple. Simply open the shutter, use your webcam to take a selfie or make a video call, and when you're finished, close it to protect yourself from prying eyes.